Good morning, students. Today I'm going to talk about a force which is not real. It's a fake force. It's a fictitious force. In physics, we call it as a pseudo force. And the name of that force is centrifugal force. Okay, centrifugal force. But this force works away from the center. It works away from the center, and this force has many applications in our life. Okay, let's see. Beta, this force helps us in cleaning our clothes. This force is utilized in the washing machine, cream separator, okay? And we are going to deal with the different applications of this force, okay? Now, let's move. Whenever you are driving a car and if you are turning around in a circular path, you will feel a force in your opposite direction. In the outside force is going to apply on your body, but that force is because of centrifugal force. And as you can see, this is the structure of our interior structure of our earth. And you know beta, the centrifugal force has a unique property. Whenever a centrifugal force is applied on a body, then centrifugal force has a tendency to separate things based on their density. Okay, so the heavier elements, they are going to get accumulated inside the center, and the lighter ones are going to get deflected on the edges. Okay, so watch here now. So our earth is also spinning, and every spinning object will experience the centrifugal force. So all the heavier elements of the earth, they came inside this inner core. Okay, and we all know that inner core is made up of iron and nickel. Okay, so similarly, all the lighter particles are on the upper layers, and the heavier particles, heavier density materials, they are accumulated in the center. So what do you mean by that? That means on the surface on which we are standing right now, we can see a lot of mountains. Okay, so that means all these mountains and everything that we see on the surface of the earth is actually very less dense. It's not that heavy. It's a lighter particles compared to the heavier ones, and it is all because of the centrifugal force. Isn't that amazing? Next, as we can see, the surface, this is the earth's shape, and you can see the earth is bulging out from the middle. Earth is bulging out from the middle. Why? But it is also because of centrifugal force. And you know, because of this force, the person at the equator will feel less gravity, and due to that result, his or her weight is going to get reduced in comparison to the people who are living on the pole sides. Okay, so this is also happening because of the centrifugal force. And now we are going to see an experiment to demonstrate how the centrifugal force works. Okay, as you can see, I have this equipment in my hand. Can I lift this? No, because as you can see, this one is more heavier, and this is the lighter particle, and I will not be able to lift it up. Okay, so how can I lift this part without using my hands? I can do that with the help of a fake force. Yeah, and now I'm going to demonstrate how we can do it. Watch here. I'm going to lift this heavier bar. Okay, so watch me. As you can see, this is getting lifted up. It is all because of the centrifugal force. With the help of centrifugal force, I'm able to lift this bar, this heavier bar. This is a lighter bar, and now I'll show you once again. I'm now spinning it, and you can see the heavier bar is getting up. Okay, it is rising. So this was the application of centrifugal force.